G'day, here we have a backup generator from Gemworks Australia. The switch is to simulate a remote start.